everyone, it's Patty. It has been a while since I have done like a normal grocery shopping trip. It's been a lot of like fast getting in and out grocery shopping trips because everyone has been sick. So I did like a meal plan and sat down and wrote a list of everything we needed and I stocked up. So I wanted to show you what I picked up. I went to Target and I just went with Ella. I left the kids with Chris. So it was a pretty successful trip. So let me go ahead and show you what I picked up. So starting over here, I got cream cheese. I like to just have this on hand. I got butter. I got this snack for the kids. They like those. And then I got dark chocolate chips just to have on hand. I'm trying to limit my dairy, so I picked up this coconut milk creamer to try with my coffee. And these creamers I feel like are sweet enough where I don't have to add any sugar either. Then I picked up a Halo Top ice cream. This is candy bar. I've never tried that one, and it's been a while since. I know I just said I'm trying to limit my dairy, and here I am buying ice cream. But I thought it would be a nice treat. The gluten-free pumpkin waffles for the kids. These Greek yogurts, and then these I got for the kids. And then this Greek yogurt, it's plain, so we just add honey. That way it's not as much sugar. And then I also get these yogurt smoothies for the kids too. I got this chickpea pasta. It's a little bit gummy, but I like it, and it has a lot of protein and fiber, and I feel like it's a little bit healthier. I actually bought this just in case, like I changed my meal plan and I need a quick meal. I bought this just to have on hand. Sometimes I like flavored water, so I buy these. This is sweetened with xylitol, so it's a little bit healthier. I got some sliced olives for snacks to have on hand. This is for a meal, some black beans. This is also for a meal, chili garlic sauce. And then this is my favorite tomatoes to use, like canned tomatoes to use to make tomato sauce. So I always buy a can to keep on hand. That way, like if I need something quick, it's on hand. And we don't buy jarred tomato sauce. I like to make my own. I bought this Annie's snack mix for the kids. I bought these to have on hand for the kids. These fig bars are really good, and these are good snacks for the kids. We also are a big fan of RX bars. I love RX bars, and my daughter loves them too. It's a great snack, so I bought these to have. We also needed some cereal for the kids, so I got the Annie's Cinnabunnies. I thought this would be cute for like springtime cereal. And then I also got peanut butter bites as snack for the kids. I like to make a nicer breakfast on Sundays, but since having Ella, it's been kind of hard to do. So I picked these up to have with like eggs and bacon. It's just this caramel pecan rolls. I thought that would be a nice treat for like Sunday morning breakfast. But we just don't have enough time before church to make a nicer breakfast since having Ella. So I thought that would be a nice treat. Then I got this coffee. It was on sale, so that's what I decided to get. The kids love when the yogurt raisins have the like Easter packaging. So Leah's been asking me when it's coming out. So I picked those up as snacks. The coconut waters were on sale, and that's kind of like what the kids have instead of like juice as a treat. So they'll have that like once a week. And then I also picked up chocolate. This is one of the few Parmesan cheeses that does not have like the wood sawdust in it. If you didn't know, Parmesan cheese, a lot of them have like sawdust ingredients in it, and this one does not. So I picked up that. I picked up ground turkey for a recipe, chicken thighs, and some beef sirloin steak strip for a recipe as well. Then I got these. Hunter really likes these for lunch, these beef and bacon meatballs, so I picked those up. I picked up some white cheddar popcorn, sweet potato, and then I like having these on hand when the produce, like we run out of produce. This is like good to use once all the produce is gone. It's just like some dried strawberries. Then this is the body wash I use for the kids during bath time. I have a newborn, so we stocked up on paper plates, and then eggs. I have bread for lunches, and then this is the bread I use with the kids, the gluten-free bread. Then this I just bought to have on hand in case I need like a quick side. I like having these on hand. And then I also bought green beans, broccoli for a recipe, dinosaur chicken nuggets, then spinach for another recipe. The Honeycrisp apples were on sale, so I bought those. Then I bought cheese for different recipes, and then string cheese for Hunter to have as a snack. Bananas. Chris really likes American cheese. I know it's like super artificial, but he loves it, so I picked that up for him. And then I picked up a tomato for a recipe, an onion for a recipe, some sweet potatoes to do like diced sweet potato, green pepper that I'm going to be using in a recipe, and then some red onions, and then also some avocados. Then we're going to be having some like turkey wraps, so I bought lettuce for the turkey wraps, and then garlic just because I put garlic in everything. And then I bought a jar of the raw honey, and a lot of studies are coming out that honey is like really good, but it has to be the raw honey, so I picked that up. And then I picked up some trash bags, and then I love the Simply Balanced almond butter. It doesn't have any added sugar, it just has almonds. Yep, the only ingredient is almonds. And then I did also buy, this one I buy like as a treat for every once in a while, and it's a dark chocolate almond butter. It's a lot healthier than Nutella. It does contain a little bit of sugar, but it's way healthier than like Nutella. So I bought that. And then I did pick up a couple things for the kids. I got this dress for Leah, and I thought that was really cute, and it was on clearance. It was 30% off, and I thought that would be a cute summer dress. And then I get the kids bathing suits for their Easter baskets every year, so I got this one for Leah. I don't like that it doesn't have a rash guard, so I'm going to keep looking, but the bathing suits were buy one, get one half off, so I wanted to go ahead and take advantage of the sale. So I got that one. I thought that was really cute, and then I got this as the cover-up, and I was able to get that half off. So this is the cover up for that one. And then for Hunter, I got him this bathing suit with this rash guard. And then Ella's I ordered online. So you'll be seeing these in a future Easter basket video. So that is what I picked up. Let me go ahead and show you what I have planned for meals for the week. Here's a look at the meal plan for the week. I am planning on making I don't put the days because I change my mind all the time. So I just kind of have a plan of meals and see how the day goes. So I have chicken thighs, spinach, and sweet potato for one night, black bean quesadillas for another night, Thai turkey, lettuce wraps, taco salad bowls, breakfast for dinner, Mongolian beef, and then one night my mom cooks dinner for us to kind of help us out. So that is my meal plan for this week. Thank you guys so much for checking out this grocery haul. And I will leave any of the recipes in the description box linked down below. Thank you guys so much for watching, and let me know what are your go-to items in the comments down below to pick up every time you go to the grocery store. Let me know what those things are. Thank you guys, and I'll see you next time. Bye.